2012 Ford Explorer. We got a rusty, crusty exhaust problem here, so we went ahead and ordered a new pipe. It was like a third of the price on Rock Auto, same brand and everything as the local parts store. Sweet deal. All right, on this one, nuts and bolts super rusty, so we had to use torches. You don't have torches? Get these nuts as hot as you can with some propane or MAP gas. All right, the pipe did not get supplied with the new gasket, so make sure you source that as well. And so you're gonna get those nuts as hot as you can and they'll break free for you. Hopefully you live down south and they're not that bad, or you got some sort of heat source. Go out and spend yourself 30-40 bucks on a heating kit. We also have an induction heater which heats up bolts. It's called a hot rod. It's like 180 bucks on Amazon. It's in my Amazon store. Works really good. All right, and what we did here is grabbed 2 1/4 inch ID to ID coupler, welded it on. Bada boom, we sawed this off, this half, the rusty pipe, and it comes with a new flex pipe as well. And cool. So we had holes in the exhaust and leaking through the flex pipe. Now she's all back together. Just need to tighten up some nuts over there. Here's our old pipe right here. We ended up cutting it with the Sawzall. You can use an angle grinder with a cutting blade or whatever. And had a crumbly little hole there. It also leaks there. And with how rotted this looks and how thin the metal is now, we opted to go with a new pipe instead of plugging holes, maybe blasting through the thin metal with our welder because it's so thin and rusted. So yeah, new pipe was the way to go on here. This is a just a cone seal, no donut gasket or anything. Don't need a gasket on this end. You do have a gasket on that end. And you know, it's just like an hour job with the right tools. Maybe longer without the who knows? Who knows? Depends on how rusty your stuff is. And if you don't have a welder, you can always use exhaust clamps to go over that and clamp it on both ends. If you don't have a welder, that's always an option, guys. But that's how you replace the pipe here on a 2012 Ford Explorer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I may or may not reply. Catch you later.